In the previous tutorial, I demonstrated how to display a previously defined measurement using a numerical display known as a measurement or measurement data display. This tutorial will demonstrate how to display the same measurement using a graphical display known as a trend chart. Just like we did for the measurement display, we begin by opening measurements. Here we will ensure a measurement has been defined that will be used to populate the trend chart. Do this by opening full configuration by pressing TotalVu on the main application window and selecting full configuration. Then enter measurements. The previously defined measurement I would like to use to create a trend chart is 230 continuous. With your measurement names noted, exit measurement and close full configuration. Now to create a trend chart using this measurement, click Window on the main application window and select New Window. Select the radio button to the left of Trend Chart and click Next. First, select an appropriate name for your new chart. This will be displayed on the title bar and optionally above the plotted points in large font. Out of the available measurements list below, browse for and select the measurements that you just looked at. Click each of your desired measurements and press Add. Ensure they appear in the Selected Measurements list above. Click the next tab at the top entitled Legend. If you have more than one measurement to be displayed on the chart, you may want a legend to inform the user what color applies to each respective measurement. Do this by checking the box to the left of Show Legend. If you plan to add specification limits to one of your measurements later and want these visible on the chart, select that measurement in the drop-down here. The last selection on this tab allows the user to toggle measurement visibility by clicking here, and their plotted color by clicking here. When complete, click the next tab entitled Axes. This tab allows the user to zoom in and out on each respective axis by changing its scale. The x-axis scale can be plotted with respect to seconds, minutes, hours, parts, or the calibrated unit of your encoder. A parts selection will plot with respect to a measurement count. This measurement count will increment and plot a new point every time a new measurement value is reported to the system. This is typically used for discrete measurements averaged by parts. Make your selection and type in its respective period. If you have selected only one measurement to be plotted, instead of typing a value into the blank, you may instead turn this into a run chart by checking the box to the left of Unlimited X-axis values. A run chart will continue to add data to the same viewing screen while scaling the X-axis as needed to contain the entire run. Using a run chart will require a reset at the start of each run. Watch the tutorial on actions and buttons and select the action, Trend Chart, Clear. The Y-axis may be scaled with respect to the reported measurement values, any associated specification limits, or by dictating a manual scale. If you scale off the measurement values or the spec limits, you may also choose to include padding above and below to make the scale a little bit more zoomed out. This is done by increasing the padding percentage. Next, choose a thickness for your data by choosing the radio button to the left of your desired thickness. If you want grid lines for each axis, select them here by putting a check in the box to the left of Show X-axis grid lines or Show Y-axis grid lines. If you would like the plotted points to enter the chart from the left side instead of the right side, check the box to the left of, scroll right to left. When complete, click the tab entitled Miscellaneous. The first 4 selections pertain to making portions of your recipe visible as lines on the chart. These include nominal, warning, specification, and reasonable limits. Check the box to make the desired limit visible. If you would like the plotted measurement values to appear as individual dots on the graph, uncheck the box next to Connect the Dots. If you would like lines to be drawn between consecutive plotted points, check the box next to Connect the Dots. If you want your indicated title to be shown above your data in large font, check the box to the left of Show Title. If you are using flaw detection and would like a red triangle to appear at each discovered flaw, check the box to the left of Plot Flaws. A tutorial is available on flaw detection. If you are using a feedback control loop for automated process control and would like control change commands plotted, check the box next to Show Control Changes. They will appear as a vertical line with the letter I or D for increase and decrease respectively. Next, choose your Chart Refresh option. On startup, if you want the chart to pause and ignore incoming measurements, select the radio button to the left of Off. If you want it to run normally, select the radio button to the left of On. If you want it to maintain the last state it was in when TotalVu was shut down, select the radio button to the left of Restore Last State. When complete, click the tab entitled Attributes. Here we have the option to display any attribute's real-time accepted value at the top of the chart. This is a display-only feature and does not allow attribute editing. Select any desired attributes for display by clicking and pressing Add. When complete, click the tab entitled Refresh. This is the global refresh entry for all your charts. The shortest update period resulting in the fastest display of real-time data is 0.1 seconds. Keep in mind faster updates will require more intensive processor use. Enter your desired refresh period and press OK. Resize and position your new chart. To make any changes, right-click anywhere on your chart to bring up the configuration window. Make your desired changes and press OK. Thank you for watching. This has been Tutorials by Joel.